Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AGRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, what I'm going to do is just get rid of that line there. Yes, that line still pertains, but from a presentation standpoint, I want to try to keep this as simplified as possible and not risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this, like I said, as clean as possible. And really going forward, there's two main levels that stand out, and they're areas that I've talked about before. And the first level is just going to be this area of resistance right up here at this red line at $2.60. Now, the good thing, but also a bad thing was, first off, on the good thing, well, at least the price was able to get up above it this morning. So it shows that, the bulls did have at least enough power to get above it. The bad part is, the problem was, as far as actually staying up above it, the bulls didn't have enough power, and therefore the price, ultimately did fall back below there. So I would certainly agree that $2.60 as a level of resistance was weakened up today. But even if it is a weakened level of resistance, it's still a level of resistance nonetheless. So 260 remains that main level to watch going forward. Although what I am going to do to kind of represent it probably being weakened up is I'm going to make that line a little bit skinnier so that now you can kind of envision that, yes, is still definitely a level of resistance. Weakened up, but you still gotta factor that in before any sort of other additional talk to the upside. Now, if the price can get back up above there, then at that point it's just a matter of where did the party stop today, and the highest it got during that opening 30 minutes was at 297. So again, 297 would be the overall level of resistance, but no point in talking about that level right now until the price can at least first prove itself in the near term, and once more, quote unquote, prove itself. I'm defining and quantifying as getting up above and staying up above $2.60. On the flip side of things, as far as levels of support are concerned, once again, nothing new here to report. Still all about that $2 mark, which should give some credit where credit's due during this pretty crazy pullback here. Price did actually temporarily go back, below there, but that didn't last very long. So overall, good to see that $2 did indeed hold before, the price bounced back up to the upside. So that's going to be that's going to be and remains that key level of support going forward. So as far as the two key technical levels going into Thursday, definitely 260 as resistance, and then $2 at that round number as the level of support. Overall, the trend is still, perfectly in the bulls' favor. Now, I get it, if you bought right up there as a day trader, then you may be feeling a little bit differently. But assuming you care about the big picture point of view, then yeah, everything is still perfectly fine. The trend is still bullish. So now it's just a matter of can the price eventually get itself back above 260 and then stay up above it. So the next couple of days looking like they'll be pretty interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.